What's up guys, Creighton here from LogicLounge.com. Today we're building a computer and we're at the step where we're going to install the back plate of our CPU cooler onto the back of the computer so that we can mount in the processor and then put on the CPU cooler. So we're going to go ahead and unbox the CPU cooler. This is a huge update to the regular CPU cooler that you usually get when you are getting your processor. And it's small and dinky, and you'll see that in our processor unboxing. We show you how big that CPU cooler is, and it's not very big. This thing is gigantic. It has 2 fans. This is the accessories kit. Right here is the nice instruction manual, the wonderful back plate with all of your mounting screws here, a torque component part thing, I don't know what you want to call it. And we can go ahead and unbox right here the CPU cooler itself. And we'll slide that out right now. That's what's all left in the box. This is a product made in Australia, in Aussie. This CPU cooler is gigantic, and it's meant to cool high performance systems. And we want to be very careful when taking this out of the box. And we'll show you guys just real quick what this CPU, hey, look at that. This box is going to undo itself. So let's just undo the box. Maybe. Work with me, people. There we go. There's our wonderful CPU cooler in a box that just falls apart like that. There's our wonderful CPU cooler. It's got dual fans. And it's got, you can see here, this is the first of 2, because I don't really want to touch CPU cooler. You can see here, there's a fan that blows through and a second fan to keep all of this nice and cool. I don't want to touch the metal right now to get my gunky fingers on it. But you can see here, it is a big CPU cooler. It's got, if I can turn this around here, it's got individual pipes leading up. I believe there's 6 on each side that brings up all of that heat and dissipates it through this. It's a very amazing CPU cooler from what I heard and friends who've got it. So this is the Noctua DH-D14. We're going to be installing the back plate of this puppy and then installing the processor and then installing this guy coming up next.